Hey guys, so I got my Airsoft underclear layers on, so I have, my arms are gray for like the snow, my pants, and then the area around my neck, and then I'm going to be wearing this green sweatshirt. I lost my camo one, you've seen in all my other videos. I'm pretty sure my friend has it. Not any of the friends coming today, but a friend at Boy Scouts. And, this is going to be fun. It's my first winter game. It's going to be my first real winter game. So, this is my 1-year anniversary for Airsoft, guys. This is all of our 1-year anniversary, because I started out my friends. Next summer is my friend's 1-year anniversary for Airsoft. But it's super fun, so we are going to be kicking it off with Fox Airsoft. I know it's like 2 hours away in this weather. I mean, I guess you couldn't call this winter. It's just some frost. But it will like warm up soon. I'm absolutely sure of it. So, once it warms up, I'm going to just be wearing this, my pants, my sweatshirt as usual, but I'm not going to be wearing, like, maybe a coat I bring. And, I don't think BBs on my legs will hurt that bad, because I'm wearing 2 pants. So, you know the idea I had an idea. I have a fire extinguisher. I'm going to do this right now. Oh gosh, I hope it doesn't explode. Oh. So I just figured out that these explode, and the seal is at the bottom of the screw. I haven't ever unscrewed it yet. This one's a ripoff. No, guys, I have unscrewed this one before. I'm going to be storing Airsoft BBs in it. Doesn't it look really cool just to store Airsoft BBs in? I have a different one where I drilled a hole in it, put a bike valve, and we got to go seal it up. But that's going to be in another video. I'm still working on that video. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's super fun. I'm only going to film one round, so my friends will be here any minute. This video is going to be part 2 of the last one. Then the next video will be like right now to when we get there, and then the next video will actually be playing. See you guys next time. Yeah, so Jake got here, guys. So we are gonna slowly collect children for the murder. But we know that's not gonna happen, so let's go get something. Let's go get.
This is the butcher house.
Oh, dang it.
Backhand, forward.
Oh, dude, look what I did to a fire extinguisher. I drilled a hole and put a bike valve.
Hey, Dad, can you bring my
Says
phone
you're
back
using.
from Daddy?
Huh?
Can you bring me my phone back from Daddy?
Yeah. But look, I took it all apart.
You should get a knife kill with that.
Yeah, let's get knife kills with a fire extinguisher bottle. Actually, let's
rub liquid on my neck. It stings now.
Oh no. Look, it's fire extinguisher juice.
Is that
Seriously, that's what's inside the fire extinguisher. That's fine. They expect you to breathe it in. Look how much white powder I have, Jake.
Is that even powder? You're gonna get. Let's get knife kills with this.
See, it's powder. Seal it off, Jake.
Snort it.
No, don't snort it. Alright. Hey guys, so Max is here. You have never seen him on this
Hi.
YouTube channel. Jake,
You're
gonna be on YouTube. How do you?
Yeah, I already made a YouTube video on my channel.
Yeah, so now you can't say I can't post you on YouTube.
Yeah, I know, and didn't say that. That was Noah. Now he hates you.
You're like, as long as my face is blurted out, you can
Look
post
at
me.
this. Just
Ah!
whip someone with this.
Bang!
That would hurt.
Bang! 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 Bang!
This and this and
That was censored.
this is what I'm doing. Oh, my parents.
That's gonna get sopping. Look at my underlayer, dude.
20 degrees.
It will
My
warm
underlayer
up. You don't
is
know
basically
Colorado
nothing.
weather.
I have literally like.
Guys, I'm gonna drop stuff in snow.
For underlayer. Look at how tiny it is.
This is gonna be censored.
This is how thin my.
Wait,
shirt
feel the
is.
snow. It's like not cold.
I know.
No, touch it with
It's
your
too
bare
dry.
hands.
It's so dry. It's not cold.
Yeah, it's like not cold.
Yeah, I know, because your hands, when your hands are dry and you touch it, it doesn't get cold.
It's weird. This is gonna be a fun. Wait, this is perfect snow, guys, for your first winter game, your first ever game. This is perfect snow.
Yeah,
now we're not gonna get sopping unless you fall in the tiny river they have there. So yeah, they have like a tiny pond.
Yeah, I know.
My-
I know.
Yeah, look, the water went up to here on my leg once.
I'm not going in that unless I find a way.
No, I accidentally fell in. It's like right next to the trenches they have there.
I'm not gonna go in the river.
That creek over there, it's like it looks so small, but when you go to a cliff jumping area, it's like 4 feet deep.
Yeah, it's awesome.
And then you get to jump.
Oh,
off
remember
the cliff, but
when
it's
we
too
were
low for-
screaming at those people in there? Like,
Yeah, no.
Who
We're not
was
gonna
that?
say that on YouTube.
Guys, when you're too poor to afford a fridge.
We're gonna let that cool down and then eat it later because it's rotten right now.
Yeah, we have a fridge. It's perfectly fine. I'm gonna roll around in the snow for them views.
The fridge when you have snow.
Oh!
This is a perfect day for me to run around. I wish this would be turned into an arena. You could literally walk to it.
Well, it's private property. The government owns it. Hey. Hey, what the fudge? To the basement. To the basement, dude. Alright, guys, so we got the car loaded up. So guys, you guys can't break this thing.
Oh, that is not a game you played for like 5 minutes.
Guys, look. Guys, you cannot kick this. You cannot kick it.
I beat them.
Hey Jack, where's all our stuff? Where's my battery?
It's all in here. It's all in here.
Didn't bring the face.
Hi guys, so I hope you enjoyed that quick time lapse. That took a while. So we are on the highway. There's a poop truck.
Shout out to me.
Guys, look, it's a poop truck. It's a poop truck.
Shout out to me. Shout out to me, Jeff.
Alright, so what's your channel name? It's like impossible
My
to say.
channel's name is Mom, and I have firework videos of blowing up stuff. And I'm making one right
call
now.
IHOP, guys.
No,
guys, let's call IHOP and say,
Guys, what's
IHOP's number?
Sorry, you need
What's
IHOP's number? Sorry, you need
Call
to go. You need to come into the bathroom. You need to come into the bathroom.
I'm gonna end it now.